So these floors, what are we looking at for one material to the installation? Does this require special installation?
It really doesn't. They're engineered. When I say engineered, I'll show you this. Solid, which is the floors that you have in this house.
Yeah.
All the way through, right? It's just a thick piece of wood, 3/4 of an inch thick. You'll usually do some kind of plywood base. So it increases the stability. The wood's gonna move as thick as it is. So if you only have this little, we'll call it 4 to 6 millimeter thickness,
that's the most it could.
Only really gonna move, which you don't really need to account for. Okay, so anybody can install this floor, but floor is pricey.
Okay.
If I were to sell you this floor, I can get it to you for anywhere from $20 to $25 a square foot.
Okay.
Not many people in the U.S. that sell this floor. There's a company in the city, and if you go there, you're paying $40 a square foot.
It's not going to be, a cheap piece of product here, but again, like I said, we want to be the highest sale in the neighborhood. We're going to be in the conversation for $1.5 million if everything goes right, and we want high-end finishes.
Here's the best way to look at it. If you have somebody who can afford to spend $1 million, 1.2, 1.3 on a house, a lot of times those guys will go to Carlisle. Carlisle is like the standard bearer in the U.S. for quality flooring. A lot of people know.
Okay.
They're charging the same amount of money, and it's an inferior product.
Okay.
So, you want to get the most bang for your buck, that's where you go.
Gotcha.